In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find emails inside Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right into it. First off, you need to log into your Pipedrive account. After you've entered your credentials and you've made it to your dashboard, take a moment to check out the vertical navigation bar on the left side of the screen. This area holds critical functionalities you'll frequently use. Here, you'll want to locate the option labeled Sales Inbox. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click on Sales Inbox, the main screen will refresh, and bingo! You'll see your synced email stream right in front of you. This stream is organized in a user-friendly manner. It's a handy view that shows you various sender details, subject lines of your emails, the times those emails were received, and even their unread status. This overview is designed to help you quickly parse through your messages and determine what requires your immediate attention. Now let's look at how to manage your inbox more effectively by utilizing filters. If you direct your gaze to the top right corner of the inbox screen, you'll find filtering options. These are super helpful when you want to cut through the clutter and isolate specific emails that you're interested in. For instance, let's say you're eager to catch up on new leads. You can select the filter for unread emails. This will allow you to ignore all the noise and focus solely on the emails that you haven't yet opened. It's a great way to streamline your workflow because you can quickly engage with prospective clients without getting distracted by older messages. Or maybe you want to find emails related to a particular project or client. In this case, you can sort your emails by specific categories or filter them based on certain keywords. This granularity can be a time saver, helping you find information much faster than scrolling through a mixed batch of emails. If you're looking for older conversations, you can adjust the time range filter. Whether you need to dive into last week's discussions or even further back, this feature allows you to narrow down your search to precisely what you need. It can be incredibly useful for referencing past communications, ensuring that you're fully informed before reaching out again. As you get used to navigating Pipedrive's email features, you'll find that the more you use these functions, the more efficient you'll become in managing your sales pipeline. With a little practice, you'll have a much clearer overview of your emails, making it easier to prioritize your responses and stay on top of your leads. Remember, mastering these simple steps can significantly boost your productivity. Soon, navigating through emails in Pipedrive will feel second nature. So that wraps up our tutorial on how to find emails inside Pipedrive. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy emailing, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos.